All right, everyone, let's get to the point. Let's get started. I just want to say first that this video isn't about how to use airplane mode. This is just an introduction. I will show you how to use airplane mode and strategies to the game in later videos. But first, I want to make this really quick. I'm also going to tell you what you need to use airplane mode. Now, the reason why I'm doing this mainly is because I have a few partners in this event, and I text them how to use it, and they seem to have a hard time trying to figure it out. So I figure it might be easier for them if I just made a video and they could just watch it step by step. But I also want other people, to be able to have the same advantage as people using airplane mode too, to try to kind of even the playing field out. Now, bear with me. I'm not really one of those people that do how-to videos, so if I stumble, forgive me, but I'll do my best. So anyways, let's just get started. Alright, so first I'm going to tell you what you need before you even start airplane mode. This is just works for me, so I'm going to do it my way. Just follow step by step on what you need before we even get started. So first things first, you got one account, right? And it's hooked up to a Facebook account. Okay, got it. For every account you have, and let's just assume it's one for now, you need 2 devices. Okay? If you don't have 2 devices, well, I guess you could use like a PC. Just download BlueStacks emulator. If you don't know what that is, just Google it or watch how-to videos on YouTube. For those of you who did use it, but I know that it's not working right now because they put a patch to it, but there is a workaround to that. So I have another video explaining that on my YouTube channel. You could just check that out if you want to use BlueStacks. Okay, so every one account, you need 2 devices. On the first account, you're also going to need a VPN. It won't work without a VPN. So I use Proton VPN. Just download the app. It's free. I do pay for it. It's because I use it for other things. It's like $60 a year, $5 a month. I mean, people spend way more than that in this game. So I do recommend paying the paid version, but I'm pretty sure the free version works just fine. Okay, so that's about it. You just need 2 devices and Proton VPN on one of the device. Now, people might say it's cheating. I personally don't think it's cheating. I mean, there's no hacking involved. There's no third-party software. I mean, simply, in layman's terms, you're just disabling and re-abling your data on your phone. If you don't have data, if you're hooked up to a Wi-Fi, you're just disabling your Wi-Fi. That's all it is. Nothing more, nothing less. Even if you did know how to use airplane mode, though, you're not going to get a bunch of dice. I mean, there is a lot of strategy involved in this game, which I'll be showing you later. With that being said, I do recommend at least 2 accounts. Just because you can send yourself stickers, it'll be easier to finish like partners events, maybe get you ahead on the racing game. So I do recommend at least 2 accounts to get anywhere. But just remember this. For every account, you have to have 2 devices and 1 Proton VPN. So that means if you have 2 accounts, you're going to need 4 devices and Proton VPN installed at least on 2 of those devices. And Proton VPN only really works good on mobile devices, not the computer. So if you're going to have 4 devices, but you're going to need at least 2 devices, like a tablet and a phone, and then you could use the other 2 devices in the emulator. It'd be good if you have 4 devices, but not everyone can afford 3 tablets and a phone. But I do recommend at least 2 accounts. And that also means you need 2 separate Facebook accounts. You can't log in and out because you'll get the 24-hour penalty where you can't play for 24 hours. So I do recommend, 2 accounts, 4 devices. Alright, so anyways, I'll be releasing the how-to videos the next week or so. Stay tuned, and thanks for watching.